You're watching Bazabros. This is Andrew. Thanks for joining us today. Today I will be showing you a simple fix for a common problem that we have with our typical Ikea type drawers. Look, the bottom has broken. This has happened because my daughter is very rough with her laundry. And when she pushes her laundry or puts her laundry away, she actually pushes it down very hard, and this tends to happen. So when these gaps happen, it impedes on your ability to close it, which sucks, and I'm here to fix it. It's gonna take not a lot of effort, it's gonna be super quick, and stay tuned. Before we get started, don't forget to click that bell so you get the notifications for our next video, and to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for the support. These are the tools that we're going to be using today. We have our drill, corner braces, nuts and bolts to hold the corner braces, as well as the wood screws that we have here. This brush I'm going to use to just clean off the surfaces when I'm going to be gluing it. And that just reminded me, one of the most important pieces here, Gorilla Wood Glue. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking everything apart so I can kind of get in there and clean, maybe sand off some surfaces that aren't as smooth, but it'll be a lot easier to glue everything obviously if things are taken apart. Now that it's all cleaned off, I will be applying some Gorilla Glue into the grooves of the drawer itself. Now for the other side, I'm going to just do the exact same thing. Apply some glue along the groove of the shelf, or sorry, of the drawer, and slide the base right inside. Gonna hold that there for a bit. What I did right now is grab some bungee cords that were just lying around the house. I wrapped them around, squeezing these boards together obviously to make sure that the board in the middle is all nice and tight. The glue is going to do its job and hold everything together. I'm going to let that sit for about 20 minutes. So as that glue is drying and the bungee cords are holding everything in place, I'm going to be putting these rails back on because it'll help keep the base in place as well. The next thing I'm going to be doing is marking where I'm going to be putting the corner braces. 33 inches, you can't see it, but it's 33 inches. So dividing that by 3, I felt that 2 corner braces or L brackets would be sufficient to hold up the front. So I'm just going to mark where 11 and 22 would be, because that would be dividing this into thirds. So now that I've placed my corner brackets here, I'm going to be marking where I need to drill my holes. Just right over there. This will be right over there. This one is going to be more or less right over here. And I'll just mark it like that. Same thing up here. I'll be doing the same. This right here. Can you guys see it? Let's see if I can do it back here. There you go. gonna use the bolt right there. Then on the other side, we're gonna be putting the washer, the split lock washer, as well as the nut. I'll show you in 1 second. So now that we have the bolt inside, or the screw, whatever you want to call it, we're gonna take the washer, the split lock washer, and if that doesn't fall off, the nut right at the end. So with that split lock washer, it's gonna keep that nut and bolt from unraveling or unscrewing itself. Gonna be holding it in place on this side, and I'm gonna go around to this side and screw it in. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. That's in, and that's locked in. That's not going anywhere. Now that we have the brackets in place, the next step would be to use these wood screws and secure it into the drawer walls right there. So here's the finished product, guys. You can see the drawer is probably stronger than it was when it was brand new. You have the corner braces over here / L brackets secured into the walls of the drawer, as well as the base of the drawer itself. And you can see on the other side, because the screws were so short, it's not going to impede on the ability to open and close the drawer. And it's a nice clean job using the split lock washers to make sure it won't ever come apart. Other than that, you can see, just even doing some preliminary tests, this thing is super solid now. Before it used to feel like a trampoline. Pause. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to click that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.